How to fix Minecraft launcher not opening easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Minecraft launcher not opening easy and quick. First, just open Task Manager. If you want to open it, just right click here and click Task Manager. Now once you're here, just close all the applications that you don't need and applications that takes your memory, like Google Chrome. Right click on it and click End Task, and after that let's move to the next step. Type here Minecraft, right click on it, go to App Settings, and after that click Repair, and that's it. Now just try again and your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.